What's up, everybody? This is Uncle P, and I'm showing you a simple trade that I took, showing you how stop hunts work. As you can see, we were in this trade in the signals group, and basically it came up, it kind of flashed us that it was ready to go. But if you watched my video earlier this week, you would have seen that I talked about the AUD interest rates, and I showed you proof that I sent to the group, hundreds and hundreds of people in that particular group, in our signals group. I had told them, hey, the market is being manipulated right now because interest rate news is coming out soon in a couple hours. Boom. So here's what happened. What happened was we entered this trade, the AUD USD, and what happened was that it came up and hit our little stop because we took it off the 5-minute time frame, and that was no problem. Like I said, we came back and got them with the Euro AUD trade with 91 pips. But what I did was I waited for the manipulation to be over. And as you guys can clearly see, they did a big stop hunt to try to take everybody out, took all the money, and then I knew what was coming next, and so did our trading system, Simplicity. Simplicity came in like a beast and said, all right, it's time to get in. And as you can see, I have 10 positions, okay? And so currently I'm up 300 pips. Now, for those who came in and bought early, like I asked you to do, if you had the old triple arrow system, let me show you what's going on with this trade off the daily time frame. Boom, you can clearly see. Look what happened the last time. Look what can happen this time. Boom. Let's look at it off the 30. Boom. Boom. Triple arrow, okay? But that's for those who got in early. You don't need the system because this one is still a beast as well, but I'm just letting you know. Boom, either way it goes, double confirmation. So I'm going to ride this thing out. I'm going to leave some running and, for the long haul. And keep it going. Look, also look at 4 hour right here. Went sideways for a minute and look at there. So boom. Oh yeah, this is lovely. So anyway, I'm gonna let the beat play and I'm gonna show you a couple of more trades that we're in. All right, so here we go.
Hours on the